Let's discuss about the top 5 best extensions that you can use in Mihon app. Let's launch Mihon. So the fifth extension on the list is Web Central, previously known as Manga C and Manga for Life. This extension fetches manga and manhwa from Web Central, known for high quality scans. It supports browsing, chapter updates and web view for seamless reading. On number 4 we have Manga K, which is the successor of Manga Body extension. It offers large variety of genres like comedy, action, fantasy. It features fast loading, high quality images and category based browsing. Number 3 will be Manga Dex. It integrates with Manga Dex, a community driven platform hosting thousands of manga titles in multiple languages sourced from scan lesson groups. This extension enables advanced features like chapter sorting, group filtering, custom reading modes, and seamless tracking of reading progress with Mihon. On number 2, we have B-Bato, which is the closest replacement to the earlier Bato.to extension. It's a must-have extension for Mihon users. It's a fan-driven platform hosting a wide range of manga, manhwa, and webtoons. B-Bato has a huge collection of mangas, and only installing this extension might be sufficient for you in some cases. So the best and number 1 extension for Mihon app is Comic. Undoubtedly, since the original Comic K extension has now been discontinued, you can use its alternatives like Comic K Unoriginal and Comic K Fanmade. It is lots of people's favorites extension for Mihon. It contains manga, manhwa and manhwa with user-friendly library and high-quality scans. Comic remains to be on the number 1 extension for Mihon app.